Hey guys, this is Sean from WindowTintSupplies.com. I'm going to show you how to properly open the package when you receive your pre-cut window film from WindowTintSupplies.com. So first you're going to get the roll. It's going to be exactly like this. If it comes damaged, email us immediately at info@WindowTintSupplies.com so we can put in the claim with USPS and send you a replacement right away. But if you get it in good condition, this is how it will be. You'll have tape on the ends. You can use a knife or scissors to open the ends. It's just going to be taped so that the plug doesn't come out. And there's going to be a little plastic plug on the end of the tube. You simply just pull that out. Now there's going to be paper on both sides. That's going to be cushioning for the window tint. So you just pull that out. Don't push it in, you'll damage the film. Once you pull out the first piece of paper, there may be another. But if not, you can take out the window tint. When the tint comes, it has protective paper on each end to protect the ends from crumpling. So you're going to have red tape around each end, and there's going to be numbers on the tape letting you know which one to remove first. I mean, the number 1, you're going to unravel that first. When you take that off, you simply just grab the tab and unwrap it. Once that unwraps to the paper and the paper starts ripping, you can simply lift off that paper and you'll have the window tint. You do the same thing for number 2. Now when you have the film like this, there'll be a tape number 3 on there. That'll be the middle tape holding the whole roll together. If you have any other tape other than the number 3, you can remove that first so that's not in the way when you take off the number 3 tape. Be very careful when removing the tape not to crumple the film at all. You will crease it and you'll damage it. Now when you unbox your pre-cut window film, you can throw this stuff out. You're going to want to do it on a large table, preferably a folding table or even the floor. Just make sure the floor isn't dusty because the film does come very staticky. It's a plastic material, so it holds a lot of static. Just make sure you're doing it on a clean surface and obviously installing it on a clean surface. So we're going to remove the number 3 tape. Just unwrap that. As you take the number 3 tape off, hold the film that is going to unravel so that way you don't pull it up when you pull the tape. You can discard that. Now, after you have all the tape off, you can lay it on the table with the end that's rolling off at the closest end to the table and simply unravel it. When you get it in the mail, it could be a little bit more curled because it's been in the rolled up state for at least 3 days if it's in transit. So don't worry about that. That's not going to affect installation at all. Now, if you order more than 1 vehicle, you'll get more than 1 tube. Sometimes if you order a full vehicle and just 2 front doors, those will all be in the same tube, but they'll be labeled. So if you only have 1 vehicle, right here we have a Dodge Ram. It's a crew cab Dodge Ram. Now the way to tell which side is the tint side and which side is the clear release side, you'll see the clear release hanging off the edge. Now the clear release side has more of a reflective look to it, and you'll see that the light reflects off of it much easier. On the window tint side, you'll see kind of like a rainbow effect and more of a brownish look if you got the standard Pro. That's how you tell which side is the tint side and which side is the clear release side. Also, another way to tell which side is the clear release side and the tint side, if you take 2 pieces together and you put them on top of each other and they stick together and they don't move and they don't slide, that's how you know you have 2 tint sides together. So that's an easy way to tell which side is the tint side and which side is a clear release side without looking too much. You can just take the film, lay it on top of each other, and if they stick together, you have 2 tint sides touching each other sandwiched together. So then you can put it to the side the way that you know it is before you install it on the vehicle. And that's how you unpack a pre-cut window film kit from WindowTintSupplies.com.